Hello my people, today I'm gonna show you where I keep my chickens. I hope you are well, you are all in good condition. So let me take you to where I keep my chickens, the other chickens, not the chicks but the big ones. Okay, let's go. These are the layers specifically for laying eggs. Layers specifically, they are just for eggs. Yeah. Just for eggs. Then I have got some. I've got some which are kienyeji ones. I hope you can see them well. These are the kienyeji ones. These I keep because of eggs, meat, and even hatching. Eggs, meat, and hatching some chicks. So this is the chickens that I have told you that I have, the big ones, and outside there I have some chicks. I think I have done a video some days ago showing you the way I have raised the chicks from 1 week old to almost 2 months. So these are the mothers of the chicks. One of the mothers, they are not all the mothers, but some of them here are the ones that hatch the chicks that are outside there. This is my job. I do it with passion. Guys, you can see. Kindly show love by subscribing to my channel so that it may grow. Subscribe to my channel. I am African Mom and Her Duty Lifestyle. That is the name of my channel. African Mom and Her Duties Lifestyle. Channel. Guys, you can see how they are beautiful mothers. Beautiful mothers. Yes. It's morning hours and I've just given them their food. They are taking their food. It is morning hours. So I have to lock it here so that they cannot mix with this one that lays eggs. These are the layers. Thank you very much for choosing my channel and watching my videos, guys. I appreciate so much. Again, I have another ones here. I isolated them because some of them are still young. I don't know if you can see. Some of them are still young. So you can see they are not the same age with the other ones. So I suggested to isolate them. Because when you mix them with the other ones, the big ones, they get feeding problem. Those big ones always fight them and they cannot feed well. So I isolated them and put them here so that they can get their food properly. As you can see, they are not the same age. They look to be young. You cannot mix with the big ones. So that is how it is. That is how it is. That is how it is. This is how it is. So let me add them some food because I see this one it's not enough. I have to add them some food because this is not enough. This one, it is not enough for them. Yeah, I think that is enough for now. I'll get back here again later. Enough for today. Not for today, enough for this morning. I'll get back here maybe in the afternoon. For the second feeding. You can see how my chicks are progressing. You can see them how they are progressing. You can see how they are progressing. They're doing good. They're almost finishing their vaccination. Almost finishing their vaccination. They are very, very, very active. Very, very, very active. As you can see. Very, very, very active. As you can see them. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly, if you come across it, consider to subscribe, like, share and comment down there. Let's meet in another video. Thank you.